Okay, so today we're going to take this foil off. We had the seedlings of our sweet basil inside. They were in Jiffy cubes, which we put on the surface of the hydroton here. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and remove this. We're going to give the basil their first and the most important clipping of their lives. All right, so we're going to remove this foil, which was just there to act as a barrier to keep any splashing from the drip ring into the bucket. And now you can see what the drip ring is actually doing. It's bringing the nutrient water from the bottom of the bucket to the surface or the top of the bucket. And it's dripping down so that the hydroton on the outer ring is moist, which allows the root growth from below the surface to expand and seek out that water. Now, there's probably enough roots in here, we may not need this, but I'm gonna go ahead and leave this in there for maybe another week or so, and then I'll remove the drip ring altogether and rely only on the bubble action from below. But right now, because I'm not gonna do a water exchange, I'm gonna go ahead and leave this on there. Like I said, in about a week, we'll need to do a nutrient swap and all that good stuff. But as of right now, these are getting too tall, believe it or not. And they've already started to split into branches, which we want to have happen. And that's why today's clipping is going to be the very first clipping we do to these basil plants. And what that's going to do is it's going to make the basil plants bush out instead of grow straight up in a single stem. So we're going to have multiple nodes and growth points coming off those plants. And at the end, we're actually going to lower the light probably about 8 to 10 inches away from the plant. So we'll bring it to about right here, maybe a little higher, and really get some intense light on there. And those should actually blow up within the week. Now, once you start seeing actual growth on this, normally the growth rate will double almost every day or two. So we're gonna go ahead and see how that works out for us. But like I said, right now, we're gonna go ahead and clip these plants. All right, so I'm not sure if you can see in there or not, but you see where that splits off here in the center? And you see those little leaves and little stems coming out the side? That is what you wanna see. That is a node, and each one of those little sets of leaves will actually turn into a new branch. And if you look at all of them, we have the same thing here, and we most likely have the same thing that, yep, we sure do. So the sooner you clip that, the better, because you don't want these getting too tall and then you split them or trim them up, because by that time you'll have branches on a single weak stem. So the closer to the root ball that you can actually do the first trim, the better. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. And that's it. That's what we've removed from the first one. Then the second one. So again, I'm gonna get in there real close and just make a quick little snip. And that is literally all there is to it. So if you look at this real closely, we will check back in about a week, maybe sooner, depending on how quickly it grows, and we'll go from there. So I hope you stay tuned.